Natasha here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your inquiry of the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, since you didn't specify a particular color, trim level, or package, no worries. We can go over all of that when you actually come in to do your test drive. So I just wanted to take the liberty to show you this one on the showroom floor. As you can see, it does have that progressive styling, that waterfall grille, beautiful wraparound lights, LED lights, has the alloy wheels. On the side, you see it has that mirror-mounted turn signal indicator. You can get blind spot detection, proximity keys, so you never have to take your key out of your pocket or your purse. Now, on the inside, I wanted to show you really quickly, you have beautiful leather seating on this particular model. This has the power seating, heated and ventilated seats are available. Steering wheel controls, you have your Bluetooth voice activation, so that controls all of your audio, your music, your text messages. This has a touch screen that also doubles as a backup camera. You have your dual climate control. This one also comes with the Blue Link and the Home Link. So if you live in a gated or have a garage, then definitely you can control that from your vehicle as well. But let me tell you about the best part about getting a vehicle here with us, Brett, is our warranty. We have America's best warranty. We give you 5 years of 60,000-mile new car warranty, 5-year unlimited mile roadside assistance, 7-year anti-corrosion warranty, a 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that exclusively here at Tameron we want to do more for our customers. So we double that to 20 years or 200,000 miles on that powertrain warranty. No extra charge, no strings attached. That's good nationwide. You can have your service done at any Hyundai dealership. So here's what I need you to do, Brett. Give me a call so we can schedule a time for you to come in. The number to reach me, 205-380-6250, or you can call or text me on my personal cell anytime. That number is 256-295-1573. Because here at Tameron Hyundai, Brett, you're going to love the way you're treated. Talk to you soon.